It's the last day of the Chessington season, annual pass day here at World of Jumanji. So we're going to give you a final update of what the site looks like before we go into the closed season. We don't really know how close we're going to be able to get to it during closed season, what kind of updates we'll be able to provide, what kind of updates the park will provide. Now there's supposed to be a pair of binoculars out today for us to have a look or do something with. We're really not sure, to be honest with you. We saw it advertised on the Merlin annual pass site. We've seen nothing yet. However, right behind here is some new track. So we're going to show you the new track. We're going to show you the construction update best we can. Now the top end of the park is completely blocked off. We were all parked down in the hotel car parks. There's no access down that side road, although there is a new track, as we said, and it's right behind here. So let's take a closer look now and show you the developments. So that's it. That is our update from Chessington World of Adventure's World of Jumanji. The lovely Sophia managed to find one of the binoculars, which we saw on the way past with a few of her friends. A massive congratulations for the, apparently it's a press night invite. There were 6 of them around today. Cody and I forgot all about them. We didn't even look, to be honest. But yeah, huge congratulations to her. That is great, great work. What's going on the site? Well, what's going on the site indeed? You can see, obviously, that new track has arrived. That is for this first corner. None of the big track. We have been down to the car park down the other end. Quite honestly, there's no other views to look at. There's no other track down there as well. The inversion pieces haven't arrived quite yet. Over the back on the round area is where the jumping frogs are going to be. If you weren't aware, jumping frogs will be going in there. That'll be one of the supporting rides, as well as a mini Miami further down this end. 2 supporting rides, roller coaster. What will it look like next time we see it? When will we see it next time? That's probably the biggest question, to be honest with you. World of Jumanji is coming together very, very nicely for the UK's first B&M launched coaster. Can't wait. Genuinely can't wait. What do you think? What do you think? Have you enjoyed the coverage? Hopefully we'll get a bit more over the winter period. Let us know in the comments below. Are you looking forward to the World of Jumanji? We can't wait. We'll see you next time.